Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who this is from. It is if I can get it to come. I'm using my smaller scissors this time. Okay, well we got some pre-stamped cross-stitch kits. Let's see who they're from. Alright. Let us see. Alright. This comes from OneDaySaving. It will be in two parts. The first part is this Sunday. The next Sunday will be the second part. So let's see what we have. Well, we have a pre-stamped cross stitch, and this is going to be counted. Yeah, yep. Because it doesn't say stamped. It says something here. I don't have one to show you, but yeah. Let's take a look at this. And this one was $5.99. And it does come in a Joy Sunday type bag. Very nice. They're very thick and sturdy. And they are very nice to save. And it keeps your project very nice. Isn't that beautiful? I just thought that was gorgeous. And it's a partial, so yeah. It is 14 count though. I know, I don't usually do 14 count. Has a pattern page. It is 32 by 32, forgot to tell you that. Does have back stitching. Has 30 colors. We have, and this will not match your canvas. It has its own set of symbols and everything. It's 139 by 139, so it's not very big. Nicely printed pattern page. You can see where all the back stitching is. That ought to be fun. Yeah, let's just get through the other part, right? Oh my goodness. Has a nice big piece of white fabric there. And it does have the product number on this one. Hang on, I gotta turn it around. Everybody's like sideways. And I don't know if I remembered this was counted or not. It does come with 2 needles. And it does have the colors of the threads going along there and how many threads. It's what these red numbers are. Is how many threads of each you have, or half a thread or something. And it's 14 count, so you're going to use two strands of thread. Lots of beautiful blues. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of that of blue, and some greens, dark, and there's no bright red in this. Yeah, I guess it's just all kind of muted. I do love that little deer. Isn't that sweet? And the little birds. So I mean, the back stitching doesn't look too terribly hard or extensive. Yeah, it'll be the counted part that's going to get to me. And I will have to get a copy if I'm going to work on counted. It is serged all the way around, so you get a nice canvas. It's fairly heavy duty. Let me see how big this canvas is. It is 33.5 by 33.5, and it does not have the symbols, so disregard what I said about the symbols not matching. It doesn't have to match. There are no symbols. None. But it's a nice piece of 14 count. It's kind of an offy white. So all these symbols will be what you will use. They look like numbers and letters. Let's see about the numbers and letters and just lines for your back stitching. I am having a hell of a time with words, but I just thought that was pretty. So I would start in one corner here or start in a corner up there. I usually, I don't know, it seems like I start on the bottom when I'm doing a counted cross stitch. You know, for my bigger ones and everything. Sometimes I start on the top left-hand corner. I can't start on this side. It's backwards. So yeah, we'll have to delve into this maybe a little later. Yeah. Okay, and the next one for today, you get it out of the bag. I think this is going to be equally as beautiful. Okay, we turn it over, not drop anything. This looks like an old-fashioned Christmas card. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. And it is full coverage. But you wouldn't have to. You could just do the girl. You know, and skip the background. I don't know. It depends. We'll have to see. It does have a great big pattern. It is 40 by 50. And this one was $8.22. It does not have a name on it. It has a nice big pattern. It has 36 colors. So you can see her big areas of red for sure, which is 606, or 666 is the other one, is that green, or 817. It does not have it. It does have 310. No 823, no 939. Does have some 3371, and it has 3865 for your white, which is this yellow. So you could leave that totally out and just do the girl. I just think it's so pretty. And I didn't realize it was quite this big, but hey, it is what it is what it is. And it looks like it's got a little bit of what do you call it? Confetti here and there. So not too bad. Not too bad at all. Now this pattern will match the canvas. Flat out. It had better. That's all I gotta say. 99.9% of the time it does. And all these symbols are the same as what's over here. Let's see what we got going here. We did get a toolkit. You get 5 needles, a poof ball, a thimble, and a needle threader. Love these. I'm just going to set that up there just so we don't lose it. And let's look at all these beautiful Christmas colors. Put that back up there. Here's your background colors. Your 3865 and 3770. It's kind of a peach, like a pale peach. Just beautiful. But I don't know that I'd want to do all that background. I just, nope. And you get a skein of 606. Beautiful red. Gorgeous. That's that part in her dress. So that's part of it. And you do get some 666 red. So let's take a look at those two together. Everybody's mooshed together here. They've been on the long boat to China, or from China. So lots of beautiful greens. Look at all them greens. And number 7 is 666. So there's not too much difference between these two at all. This one in the skein is a little oranger, where that's a little brighter red. But all three of those, I mean, you could lay them down and it'd take a moment just to get, you know, your eyes configured. But there's lots of reds and greens in this. No product number on here. I just write on the back with a Sharpie. Works just great. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. And that black will make it pop. Just beautiful. Okay, hang on. I gotta shift something over here. All right. Whoa. Sorry. Of course I have to hit the camera. I mean, what would be a video without me hitting the camera? Okay, it's an 11 count, as it says. This is the product number, the 1369. It's 40 by 50. And it has the squares per square. So, yeah, there's a big old fat area that, what the hell was it? 606. And it's up on her hat up here. So, yeah, I don't know. If you didn't want to do the background, I wouldn't do the background. I just think it's pretty. Make a lovely... Like, you could make this into a pillow, you know, to sit on the couch at Christmas time. I think it's beautiful. Let's see. It is 49 centimeters that way, and 40 centimeters that way. Actual picture size is 43, which is 17 by 33 and a half, or 13 and a half. So, yeah. I think it's too small for a 16 by 20. But you could definitely make that into a nice pillow to sit around or sit on the floor with. Just beautiful. You know, just add some holiday color everywhere. Yeah, it's very, very nicely printed. Beautiful. I love it. And it is serged, and the serging does not go into the numbers on the side, which is nice. Now the numbers on your paper is going to match, so you're not going to be in trouble there. But very easy to see symbols. Little light up in here, but once you get on top of here, there we go. I don't know if I can hold that there. You can see your symbols there. So very nice, very nice. And OneDaySaving has diamond painting, cross stitch. They usually have, hang on just a second. They usually have some kind of specials this time of year. They have free shipping over $50, I believe. If that's different, I will put it in the thing below. They have paint by number. They also do custom. They do paper quilling, beaded cross stitch. They have tools for diamond painting and cross stitch. They also have crafts for both of those. And I don't know if they'll have a Christmas section this year or not, but they usually do. Or a holiday section, they call it, you know, so that they have Easter and everything else that's a holiday. Or Halloween. But do check them out. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for sending me these beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.